Alright, today we're going to bring a 50 feet water hose, if you guys can see it. It has stainless steel, very reinforced in the actual edges here. This is where it always cracks. Give you the actual nozzle, extra connections, and make sure that you have them in here. Alright, when you're going to set this up. If you guys can see that, make sure there's one O-ring in here. And this is a 50 footer. So we just set up our O-ring in there, make sure it's secure. And you can always set up another one, but only one needed on one end because we're going to have the actual nozzle on the other end. So this is a 50 footer, and look at this, tangle free. It's hard to tangle, hard to break. If you have pets and animals, they always go for the water hose. Look at this, reinforced. We're going to test it out and see how it works. So if you guys can see, the water hose is really long. I still have a lot of slack, right? And it's about 50 feet, but we still could go another, I would say another 15 to 20 feet. All right, so slack, very secure, and it's tangle free. I wasn't able to tangle it at all. I just pulled it and it's ready to go. Let's test it out. All right, we're gonna start with the nozzle. Right, we're gonna try the different. Right now we have a spray, and the spray is pretty much down. You guys can see that. I'm gonna change it. Look at that shower. Then we're gonna go spray. This is kind of like a strong hose there. Mist, down spray, straight spray, stronger spray. These are all the different. Not bad. Then you can control the volume of it here by turning it down slowly. Turn it down, slowly turn it up if you want. Too much pressure, turn it off. Just with the thumb. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.